This diagram shows an overview of our new architecture called TX Online. This is the cloud. This cloud shows the parts that constitute the server, and this is the database, the actual terminology database. And we still have our, as we've always had, we have the ability for users to connect and edit the database from tlTerm, from the actual tlTerm Windows application or Mac OS X application. And then, as part of the new architecture, we are allowing users to edit and make changes from within their web browser, a smartphone or tablet or desktop web browser, directly to the same database. And that works by interfacing with what we call the tlTerm server. And I'm just going to quickly show a demonstration of that working for the OERTB project. It's the Open Educational Resource Term Bank being developed based on tlTerm. So here we have the behind me we have the server, and I have a tlTerm window open on the server. And now we access the website using oertb.tlterm.com using our web browser, and we can click on sign in, and here we can actually sign in using the same credentials, username and password, as we would connect using tlTerm. Click logged in as David. And now I'm going to search for a term and make a change. Autonomy search. Right, so we have one primary result here under philosophy. Click selected entry, and now I can click edit, and it presents us this edit interface. And I'm going to make a small change here, freedom of will. So I'm going to take out the here and say freedom of will to make its own law or rule of conduct in. It's slightly odd English, right? Freedom of will. So here we have these edit boxes. We can edit the English term or the English definition or any of the others, and I can submit my changes. And if we watch there, it has applied and saved the change when I clicked submit. And if we go look on the actual server now in tlTerm, we can see that that change I made from the web browser has been reflected in the actual tlTerm database. So it has, from the web browser, interfaced with the web server, which has interfaced with the tlTerm server application, which has in turn saved my change back into the actual live database. And users using tlTerm immediately see that change reflected. And likewise, any changes made in tlTerm are reflected, are visible in the web browser. So if I make a change in tlTerm here, so we make it I uppercase, and say if we go to our web browser, refresh, and the I is uppercase. So whether editing from tlTerm or from the web browser, both are editing the same database live, and the changes are visible each way.